Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm in Australia and I'm back again because I have a few entries in my competition. So we're just going to do one at a time because it'll make it easier for me to sort it out in the end, okay? So yesterday the Marmon came here twice. I don't know what he thought was going on, but he came here twice yesterday. Now, I just got these parcels. I got all these parcels yesterday. It was just incredible. So, thank you, everybody. So this is from maybe if I can't, like, she hasn't got her first name on here, so I'm going to have to open this so I can see who it is from. This is from the Netherlands. And I've just knocked the glue pot down. I should stand it up. I don't want it falling. And this keeps moving, fidgeting and moving. Oh dear! I hope I don't cut something. I'm not happy. I'm going to have to cut something. Oh dear, Sonia, be careful. Oh dear, I think I did. That is bad. Oh dear, I feel so terrible. Let me just cut this tiny piece across here, maybe. Oh, got it. Wow. Whew. It's only a tiny bit on the corner. Thank goodness for that. I'm so sorry about that. I'll have to get this out till I see who was the person who sent me this. Thank you so much. Have a card. We have a card. Oh my goodness me! Look at this. Isn't this lovely? Oh, look at that. The pussycats. I love pussycats. Oh, and there's a little scroll rolled up there. Isn't this cool? Wow. This is from Monique. Sorry, Monique, I can't say your last name. Do you have a YouTube channel? My YouTube channel is Shabby Monique Brocenti. B-R-O... I will put a link to that, but she said she doesn't do videos, so I will still put a link. I'll put her name up there. I'll write her name properly. Congratulations on 5 years on YouTube. Thank you so much for all your videos. Hope you get lots of entries. You're such a sweet lady. Hugs from the Netherlands. Thank you so much, Monique. This is absolutely beautiful. I do love the card, and I just do love it. It's so nice, isn't it? Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm putting it back in the envelope. I don't want to be losing it. I won't be, but oh, look at the pussycats on here. Oh, wow, that's really cool, isn't it? I like the pussycats everywhere. Oh dear, isn't this beautiful? Oh, thank you. My goodness me. Oh, look. Look at this. Isn't this awesome? Oh dear. Oh, I love this. Can you see these, people? Look at it. Hang on. Look at that it's got. Isn't that good? Oh, I love that. Isn't that precious? Thank you so much. And this one too. Oh dear. More things for my albums. Thank you. And the book I'm going to make with the beautiful fabric that I've got. Thank you so much for you sending me this. This is awesome. And this piece, I love the colour. And it's nice too as well. This is from the Netherlands. That's a long way from me, I think. I've just never been there. Thank you so much. This is so lovely, Monique. Thank you. And this piece, oh, this is beautiful. This is nice and soft. This lemon colour. Isn't that lovely? Thank you. Oh my goodness me. This is one of me good bits, isn't it? Oh, isn't they are all good bits, every tiny piece. If I ever see anything, I say, don't touch that, that's my good thing. Isn't that neat? Oh, wow. That is so beautiful. Thank you so much. All of these things, and this, I do not have such a thing as this beautiful sequin trim. I do have smaller, I have sequences, I think, and I maybe have one black row of them, I think, and that's it, though. That's so nice. Isn't that awesome? Thank you so much, Monique. That is so lovely. I love it. Thank you. And I got cakes. Oh, look at this. Got teapots and cakes. Don't eat cake, but that's okay. Doesn't matter. Don't have to eat them, do I? Oh, isn't that lovely? Thank you so much. Oh, isn't this so nice? Thank you. Oh, look at this one. Ah. Oh, look at this one. Oh, thank you. Love it. Look at the flowers. Oh dear, I'm going to have to work until I'm at 200. I think I'm going to have to be working on it until I'm 200. Isn't this so beautiful? I lay in bed at night thinking of all the things I'm going to do the next day. I get some of them done. Yesterday I did a bit. Every day I do a few hours, so I get some of it done, but it's not easy. Isn't this nice? Thank you so much. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness me, aren't these beautiful? Oh, I've never seen anything like this before. Now I'm going to have to make a baby one. Don't have any babies around yet, but isn't this beautiful? Oh, look at that. Look at the pram. Look at the little pram. Oh, isn't this lovely? Thank you so much. This is a beautiful piece of material. A bit bigger than what we asked for, but that's okay. I'm not going to send it back to you. I do love it. Oh, I do love it. Thank you so much. I suppose they would do some little tags, put some on a page. Oh, look at the little pram. Oh dear, and the dear little babies. Look at that one. That's a nice one. It's asleep. They're all nice, aren't they? I have a new great nephew. He's a dear little bloke. I probably will never ever see him other than on a picture, but that doesn't matter. Look at that. Isn't this lovely? Thank you very much, Monique. These are so beautiful. All these lovely things you've sent to me. I just absolutely love this. Thank you so much. Isn't it cool? Thank you. All the pretty colours and the really different textures of things is a really good thing. A really good thing. It's all a really good thing. And then I've got the pussycat one. Look at that. I'm so happy. Have a beautiful day. I love pussycat ones. I love pussykats. Thank you so much. Very, very kind of you, Monique. I really appreciate that, doll. Thank you so much. Okay, we'll talk to you later, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.